If it is your first time here with me, welcome in. My name is Sierra and this is episode 3 of my Herbal Tea Recipe series. All the benefits of each individual herb will be listed in more detail in my description. I feel like it's better reading everything. Sometimes you won't grasp everything I'm saying in video. So just keep in mind, everything will be linked in my description box below. As well, follow me on all my social media and stay connected there. And then you'll know when I put out a new video if you missed it and get notified and just see my everyday life. So follow me on Instagram and Twitter. That will be linked in my description as well. This video, as you see by the title, is all about grounding yourself right now. This is a tea that I personally needed right now, so I figured, why not share the recipe that I did? This tea, when I was drinking it and when I was making it and putting all the different herbs together, I felt like it was a very protective, healing, and all over grounding mix that I made for myself. And I just feel like it's the perfect time to make this kind of tea. There's been so much healing for me going on. There's been so many emotions surfacing in my life right now. There's been so many things being revealed to me. There's been so many things that I am being shown that I still have to work on, as far as like lessons being learned and like things I haven't really grown out of yet. And that's an amazing thing for me to realize, like there's opportunities for growth, there's opportunities for change. And right now I am on the wave of really releasing old habits that officially need to be let go. So I just felt like I really wanted a tea to help ground me and help regain my focus and my strength and, you know, tapping into my divine power. So yeah, this is what this tea is about for me. Just wanted to give you guys an understanding that this is my world and I'm welcoming you into my world and my practices and my rituals. And, you know, sometimes I just make tea and I get enjoyment out of that. And there's also times where I am mindful of setting intentions as I'm doing it, speaking life into all things that I'm doing, being mindful of what I want to get out of my practices and my work. And I'm very mindful of that when I share that, especially in video, because I'm transferring that onto you guys. And whatever you get from that, I hope that it does give you that reminder as well to do everything with intention. Welcome to my world. I always use just my own reusable tea bag. It's a muslin tea bag that has been stained by turmeric and all the herbs I use, but this is always washed out and dried to reuse. It's super easy. Or I use reusable tea bags you might have seen in my other videos. They're disposable ones. You can buy those a lot of places. You can just look online. But this one I got at my local herb shop. And now I just take the mix and put it in the tea bag. Now this bag is pretty big, and this is filled like right down here. There's days where I filled this all the way up, and this is all I felt like I needed for myself, just to have some tea for the night. So use your own discernment of, you know, how much you need. You probably usually don't need that much herbs. So I find that when I mixed it for the first time today in this mixing bowl, it just gave me an idea of all of them together. This is the finished product, and it's gonna taste so delicious. As you see, I have my tea bag, and tonight I just chose to do my own personal mug. Usually I would use my teapot and just drink from that throughout the night, but I just wanted tea in my mug. Since I'll be the only one drinking tea tonight, this is all for me. You guys, if you like my mug, give me a thumbs up right now. Love you. Let's try this tea because I can't wait to see how it's gonna taste. Tea is so relaxing, I swear. If like you just need to relax and de-stress and like wind down for the day, hot tea is like the best thing before bed. You guys, this is really good. I always add honey and I always add lemon juice to my teas, you guys. You can flavor it how you like, but I do find that the honey gives it such a good sweetness, and the lemon juice just adds a little zest, and it's super good for digestion at the same time. So, and then honey is amazing for building your immune system also. So do your own research. I always say that, but yeah, that's just my little tip. You can definitely add that always to your tea and just get those benefits as well. I am going to go ahead and close out this video now. Thank you guys so much for watching and being here with me. I hope that this video encourages you to make your own tea if that's something you're interested in. It's really fun, it's really easy, and there's no rules. Just learn as you go, do your own research always, and just always have fun with what you're doing. If it makes you happy, do it. I love you guys so much, my beautiful souls. Thank you for supporting me and helping me along my journey as I help you guys. Peace, and I will see you guys next time.